This is an unboxing of a Lenovo T14 Gen 2. This is the power adapter. It's a 65-watt USB-C. Papers. Here's the laptop itself. Inside. So I'll just go over ports on it. So it's got one USB-C here, another USB-C here, and the little pass-through for the docking. So that's like a dedicated Ethernet for docking. USB 3, HDMI, a combo audio, mini SD card. There's nothing on the front there. You can see the little privacy switch for the webcam. This would be if you had a smart card option, another USB 3. This is the powered one to charge your devices if the computer is plugged in but off. Full-size Ethernet and a Kensington lock slot. On the back, there's only the SIM card option if you had a SIM card on it. On the bottom, there's nothing, just the one reset hole there. And open it up. So yeah, the fingerprint reader there, same touchpad and keyboard. Pretty well almost the exact same thing as I think the T490 and the T14 Gen 1, except for the fancy sticker. And at the top, the dual mics, the webcam, and that's it really.